So being a technology company and launching new products every year and new solutions, we need to be able to show new technology showcasings at our event to capture the interest of our audiences. Well, the solution is so, if I can say, cool. It shows the logos, our solutions being demonstrated in such a live 3D way, and it really fits with our theme this year, which is more about AI and technological advanced solutions. Yeah, of course. I mean, the logo, the way that the logo gets formed, the other solutions that are shown, showcased, really interesting and captures the eyes and draws the attention to the middle of the room. I personally liked it a lot. So the colors are amazing, it looks really real and very futuristic, so it really fits with our solutions, and hopefully we'll have something new for next year with them.